For Hackweek this week, I worked on something that's been a struggle with us for a while. And that is functional approval of releases to production. So right now we've been using this approval action in Code Pipeline. It's been complicated for a few reasons. The biggest one is it's pretty difficult to tell exactly what changes you're going to be approving when you click the approve button because, builds back up and supersede each other and get squashed together. So it's pretty confusing. So in order to fix that, what I did was I built a few lambdas out using something called arc.code that encompasses the Slack bot and then one that is utilized in Code Pipeline. So we would replace our approval action with this invoke release manager lambda that would call out to the lambda. The lambda is going to inspect Code Pipeline in reverse and figure out what changes actually were caused the Code Pipeline to build. After that, say a PM can come in here and use the Slack bot. The Slack bot has a few options. The important one is list projects, and we're going to list this protocol as project releases. So what we can see here is, so we have a few releases. We can tell this one's been deployed to production right now. This one's in stage, and then this one's in verify and test. So assuming that PM or a functional user has gone through and verified that the changes, that test looks good, they can select to deploy that release to prod. In addition, we're going to preview the release and actually list out all of the changes between what's currently in production and the new release that was selected. So it'll show each commit message between the two based on get changes. Assuming that all looks good and it's been validated, they can click deploy changes. That's actually going to call out to AWS via API to actually initiate a deployment. So we're going to actually jump over here and see that, yes, in fact, it is deploying. So hopefully that helps us manage our releases process a little better. Thanks.